Ethical hacking is a vital part of cybersecurity. It's like a security check for computers and networks. Ethical hackers have permission to find weak points. They use their skills to see how secure a system really is. Think of it like testing a lock on a door. Ethical hackers try to pick the lock to make sure no one else can. They then report any weaknesses they find. This helps the organization improve its security. Ethical hacking goes by other names too. You might hear it called penetration testing or white hat hacking. No matter the name, the goal is the same: to make systems safer. Ethical hackers are the good guys. They protect against bad actors who want to steal data or cause harm. In today's world, our lives depend on computers and the internet. From online banking to personal information, a lot is stored digitally. This makes strong cybersecurity incredibly important. That's where ethical hackers come in. By finding and reporting vulnerabilities, ethical hackers protect businesses and individuals. They act as a first line of defense against cybercriminals. Their work helps prevent data breaches, financial losses, and damage to reputation. Ethical hacking also helps organizations comply with regulations. Many industries have rules about protecting sensitive data. Ethical hacking helps ensure compliance and builds trust with customers. As technology evolves, so do cyber threats. Ethical hacking is essential to stay ahead of these threats and ensure ongoing security. Ethical hacking is a powerful tool. It requires strong ethics and responsibility. Ethical hackers must follow strict guidelines. First and foremost, they need permission. Hacking without permission is a crime, even if the intention is good. Ethical hackers always get written consent before testing a system. They must also respect privacy. Ethical hackers might come across sensitive information during their work. They have a duty to protect this information and not use it for personal gain. Confidentiality is key. Transparency is another important principle. Ethical hackers clearly communicate their findings to the organization. They explain the vulnerabilities, potential impact, and recommendations for fixing them. Finally, ethical hackers must stay within legal boundaries. They cannot engage in activities that violate the law, even if it might seem necessary for the test. So you're interested in becoming an ethical hacker? That's fantastic. It's a challenging but incredibly rewarding field that offers numerous opportunities. To succeed, you'll need a specific set of skills. Problem solving is crucial because you'll often face complex issues. Ethical hackers are like detectives, always on the lookout for clues. They need to think critically to identify vulnerabilities and understand how they can be exploited. Communication is also key. You'll need to explain your findings clearly and concisely, both verbally and in writing, to ensure everyone understands. This ensures that the organization understands the risks and can take appropriate action. Adaptability is essential. The world of cybersecurity is constantly changing, with new threats emerging all the time. Ethical hackers need to be quick learners and stay updated on the latest trends and technologies. Continuous learning is essential. Finally, persistence is key. Ethical hacking can be challenging and sometimes frustrating. You'll encounter roadblocks and dead ends. But don't give up. Stay determined. Keep learning, keep practicing, and you'll overcome any obstacle. Your persistence will pay off in the end. Section 5. Essential knowledge for ethical hackers. Besides skills, ethical hackers need a strong foundation of knowledge in several areas. Networking is fundamental. Understanding the intricacies of how data travels across networks is crucial. You need to understand how computers and networks communicate. This includes the various protocols that govern data exchange. This includes knowledge of network protocols, configurations, and security measures. Knowing how to secure these networks is just as important. Programming is another crucial area. It allows you to understand the logic behind software and applications. Knowing how to code allows you to create your own tools and scripts. This can be incredibly useful for automating tasks and finding vulnerabilities. Python is a popular language for ethical hacking due to its versatility and extensive libraries. It simplifies many complex tasks. Operating systems are also important. They form the backbone of any computing environment. You should be familiar with different operating systems, particularly Linux. Linux is often the OS of choice for many security professionals. Linux is often used for ethical hacking tools and is a powerful platform for security testing. Its open-source nature allows for extensive customization. Finally, a good understanding of cybersecurity concepts is essential. This forms the core of what ethical hacking is all about. This includes knowledge of vulnerabilities, exploits, and attack vectors. Understanding these elements helps in identifying and mitigating risks. You should also be familiar with security tools and techniques. These tools are essential for conducting thorough security assessments. Section 6. Tools of the Trade: Essential Ethical Hacking Tools. Ethical hackers use a variety of tools to do their job. These tools help them identify vulnerabilities, test security controls, and gather information. Here are a few examples. Nmap, short for Network Mapper, is a powerful network scanning tool. It allows ethical hackers to discover hosts, services, and potential vulnerabilities on a network. Wireshark is a network protocol analyzer. It captures and analyzes network traffic, allowing ethical hackers to examine data packets and identify anomalies. Metasploit is a penetration testing framework. It provides a collection of exploits, payloads, and tools for testing the security of systems. Burp Suite is a web application security testing tool. It helps ethical hackers identify vulnerabilities in web applications and assess their security posture. Section 7. Practical applications and examples of ethical hacking. Ethical hacking has many real-world applications. Companies hire ethical hackers to test their defenses. This is called penetration testing. The goal is to find and fix vulnerabilities before attackers can exploit them. Vulnerability assessments are another common application. This involves identifying potential weaknesses in systems, networks, and applications. It helps organizations prioritize security efforts and mitigate risks. Social engineering assessments test the human element of security. Ethical hackers might use techniques like phishing emails or phone calls to see if they can trick employees into giving up sensitive information. Real-world examples of ethical hacking include companies like Google and Microsoft offering bug bounties. They reward ethical hackers who find and report vulnerabilities in their products and services. Section 8. Best Practices for Ethical Hackers in 2024. The world of cybersecurity is always evolving, with new threats and vulnerabilities emerging every day. Ethical hackers need to stay ahead of the curve by continuously updating their skills and knowledge. Here are some best practices for 2024. Focus on cloud security, as it is becoming increasingly critical. More and more organizations are moving their data and applications to the cloud, making it a prime target for cyber attacks. Ethical hackers need to understand cloud security risks and how to mitigate them effectively to protect sensitive information. Stay updated on IoT security as the number of connected devices continues to grow. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is growing rapidly, integrating into every aspect of our lives. This includes everything from smart homes to industrial control systems, each with its own set of vulnerabilities. Ethical hackers need to understand the unique security challenges posed by IoT devices and develop strategies to address them. Learn about AI and cybersecurity, as it is becoming a game changer in the field. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is being used for both offensive and defensive security measures, making it essential to understand. Ethical hackers should explore how AI can be used to enhance security testing and threat detection. Continuous learning is key to staying relevant. Stay curious, attend conferences, read industry publications, and participate in online communities to expand your knowledge and skills. Engaging with the community can provide valuable insights and keep you updated on the latest trends and techniques. Section 9. Conclusion. A call to action for aspiring ethical hackers. Ethical hacking is a vital and rewarding field. As our reliance on technology grows, so does the demand for skilled ethical hackers. If you're interested in pursuing a career in cybersecurity, ethical hacking is a great path to consider. Start by building a solid foundation in networking, programming, and operating systems. Experiment with ethical hacking tools and techniques in a safe and legal environment. Join online communities, participate in Capture the Flag or CTF competitions, and seek out mentors to learn from experienced professionals. The journey to becoming an ethical hacker is challenging but rewarding. Embrace the challenge, never stop learning, and use your skills to make the digital world a safer place.